trash right there.
Come on, DeAndre.
Alright, do this.
If I can do it, you can do it. You have to open it.
Yeah.
Stupid. Why do you look so scared?
I'm not scared, I'm confident. Let's go.
Let me see.
It's not even close to enough.
I can't see. A little bit more. I mean, if he spits, it's not gonna go on the trash. It's gonna go everywhere. It's gonna be a big old cloud.
Is that good?
Turn to the side. Yeah, that's good.
Alright. Milk close.
You got 60 seconds. Ready, set, go. No, you can't drink. You got 30. You got 30 seconds.
I can't always.
Don't you do it. Okay, you already lost.
You have to do it
In 30 seconds. I mean in a minute. You didn't do it in a minute, but if you can swallow it, then I'll give you the milk. That's your prize. I'm so disappointed. I'm so disappointed. You did it? Drink your milk.
I suck. I didn't do it in a minute, but it's all good.
It's okay. Nobody can beat me.
You turned it off?
Oh, no. Okay.